Without objection.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Where are the jobs? That's what the folks in East Alabama want to know and around the country. We thought a year ago when the President came in, he was going to do something about it. Unfortunately, his idea of remedying the problem was passing the stimulus bill, which I like to think of as the Obama slush fund, political slush fund, because that's what it really is. If it in fact had been a stimulus bill, it would have been spent in the first year at a minimum instead of over 5 years. But instead, he didn't. But last month I was encouraged when the President said he was going to focus like a laser on jobs this year. And to that end, he's called a health care summit this week. The President has got to get off his drive to push universal government-run health insurance on the American people and start talking about and working on the things that we really care about, and that is getting our people back to work. What the President needs to do is drop his push for government-run health care and start working with his Treasury Department to get them and our banks lending again. Start working with our small business people to find out what kind of relief they need to start hiring again. It's about jobs, Mr. President.
Gentleman's time has expired. For what purpose, gentleman from New York rise?
To address the House for 1 minute.
Without objection.
Thank you, Mr.